save our planet, scientists study climate change impacts on the Hindu Kush Himalayan glaciers. The United Nations Environment Programme, the International Centre for Integrated Mountain Development and other organisations are all researching the effects of climate change on glaciers and glacial lakes in Nepal. A recent report indicates that the levels of 20 glacial lakes are now at dangerously high levels, leading to greater risk of a glacial lake outburst flood, which is flooding that results from a lake's glacier dam bursting. Most valley glaciers have been reported to have faster melt and retreat rates in recent decades than in the past. Esteemed scientists, we are thankful for your research to help us understand the extent of the harm climate change may have on Nepalese and other communities. May your work continue to bring greater awareness about the urgency of necessary action to protect our Earth's biosphere.
Historical U.S. land preservation accord reached. Environmentalists and developers in California have agreed to conserve 971 square kilometers of Tijan Ranch, situated north of Los Angeles. Under the new agreement, developers will only be allowed to build on about 10% of Tijan Ranch's total area. Tijan Ranch is the only location in the state where coastal ranges, the Sierra Nevada mountains, the Mojave Desert, and the Central Valley come together. A rich array of animal life, including condors, elk, and wild turkeys, call the Tijan Ranch their home. Hats off to all involved in this harmonious compromise that will conserve this ecological sanctity of California. May heaven endow the land with peaceful coexistence for all.
Painting competition for climate change. Sponsored by Chinese businessman, environmentalist and photographer Mr. Lo Hong, a first-time painting competition with a theme of climate change attracted participation from over 1.5 million young artist contestants. The top 3 winners will be revealed on World Environment Day, June the 5th, and will be invited to join the United Nations Environment Programmes, or UNEP, Tunza International Children's Conference in Norway. A heartfelt thank you, Mr. Lo Hong and the United Nations, for raising awareness about global warming among youth in such a creative way. Best of luck, all eco-conscious contestants.
Landfill gas transformed into vehicle fuel. North America's largest waste management company, Waste Management, and Lynn North America have embarked on a joint project to build a liquefied natural gas, or LNG, facility near a waste landfill area in California. This unique facility will be ready to supply garbage collection trucks with 13,000 gallons of clean fuel every day from the converted landfill gas by 2009. We admire your collaboration, Waste Management and Lynn North America, in utilizing waste to serve a sustainable purpose. May your venture enjoy great green success.
Indian scientists developed fuel-free cooling system for buildings. Dr. SupremeMasterTV, Professor of Mechanical Engineering at the Malavaya National Institute of Technology in Jaipur, along with Mr. Rajiv Kathpalia, an architect and urban developer, have developed a passive cooling system for buildings that lowers the inside temperature by around 5 degrees Celsius. The design makes use of a solar chimney installed on the roof that acts as a ventilator, and a wind tower that provides a breeze. Kudos, Dr. Matur and Mr. Kathpalia, for your ingenious and efficient design. With contributions such as yours, we can all lead comfortable lives while treading lighter on our Earth.
Top inventors honored for contributions to humanity. Last week in Ljubljana, Slovenia, the European Inventor of the Year 2008 Awards recognized the innovative accomplishments of those who have contributed to Europe and the quality of life of others.
This year's winner for the European Inventor of the Year in the category Industry is...
The 4 top outstanding inventors were Dr. Eric de Clercq, a Belgian scientist who developed a milestone AIDS treatment, Germany's automaker Audi for lighter and more environmentally friendly aluminum car frames, a group of researchers from the United Kingdom for their development of a powerful and pain-free laser scanner for the eye, and the US-based SRI International for designing a robot to be used in medical surgery. The awards ceremony was hosted by the European Patent Forum and focused on the need for more technological developments in the area of climate change.
If effective climate protection is a political aim of the EU, and that is indeed the case, then the same must apply to its innovation policy and the intellectual property rights which support that policy.
If you would ask me what I would describe Europe's strategy to fight climate change and to solve the energy and environmental problems, again I would name only 3 words, and I would say it's sustainability by innovation.
We thank the European Union for prioritizing useful inventions that also bring greater sustainability to our lives and our Earth. Hats off to the world's brilliant pioneers of every field who endeavor to ease suffering, help the environment, and improve the quality of living for all.
OLAC, or Vietnam, expresses willingness to join the proposed Organisation of Rice Export Countries, which would support the efforts of several Southeast Asian countries to stabilise rice prices and exports.
U.S.-based Ford Motor Company will double its production of fuel-efficient 6-speed automatic transmissions, with manufacture planned for 98% of North American cars by 2012.
Leading up to their July summit, environment ministers from the Group of 8 nations and 9 other countries meet this month to collaborate on a new climate change treaty.
The Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa commits to providing financial assistance to African farmers to help increase their harvests.
OLAC's, or Vietnam Environmental Protection Agency, and the Vietnam Fine Arts Association coordinate a green label logo design contest, with the winning design to be placed on eco-friendly products.
The British Standard Institute is creating a guide for public and private institutions to use in helping employees make environmentally friendly travel choices.